in the state of Bihar. Now the focus is on West Bengal now. Let's give you update on how the Bharatiya Janata Party plans to unseat Mamata Banerjee in the state of West Bengal and who has been deployed where. BJP's zone-wise setup has been done in West Bengal. The first one is Darbhanga region. The responsibility of this area has been given to Chhattisgarh Organization General Secretary Pawan Sai. Working with him will be Uttarakhand Cabinet Minister Dhan Singh Rawat. Areas like Purlia, Bankura and Bardhaman are the major targets for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now let's talk about the Howrah, Hooghly and Medinipur area where Delhi's Organization General Secretary Pawan Rana has been given the overall charge. As far as senior leaders are concerned, senior Haryana leader Sanjay Bhatia has been deployed alongside him. Let me go across to my colleague Pragya, who's been tracking all the details. Pragya, after Bihar, the focus is now on West Bengal. BJP has a very clear set of agenda. Take us through the details as to how they are going to, quote-unquote, unseat Mamata Banerjee there.
Absolutely, Akanksha, and micromanagement has been the forte of BJP, and they have been also crediting their victory in various states, including Bihar, on this micromanagement. Now, there is a serious deployment that they have done even before the dates have been announced. There is a zone-wise setup. In fact, Darbhanga, it is a place where BJP wants to expand organizationally, and it includes areas like Purulia, Bankura, Bardhaman. Chhattisgarh General Secretary Organization Pawan Sai is given charge. Howrah, Hooghly, Medinipur, very important region. Delhi Organization General Secretary Pawan Rana has been given an overall charge of that. Howrah, Hooghly will be looked after by Sanjay Bhatia, who is also Haryana leader. Medinipur will be looked after by UP Minister JPS Rathore. When it comes to Darjeeling, Pradeep Bhandari is given the charge of that. Cooch Behar, former Union Minister Kailash Chaudhary has been given charge. Now, Kolkata metropolitan area is very important, including 24 Parganas. The command is with Himachal Pradesh Organization General Secretary M. Siddharthan. C.T. Ravi, who is Karnataka's former minister, is also going to look after TMC's strongest fortress, so that BJP, will win this particular area. Navdeep North 24 Pargana, another important region known for communally sensitivity. And in fact, issue of Bangladesh infiltration is very strong here. Andhra Pradesh Organization General Secretary and senior Uttar Pradesh leader Suresh Rana and N. Madhukar are going to be in charge of this place. North Bengal, Marsha, Murshidabad, Siliguri, very important place. Siliguri, Karnataka's General Secretary Arun Nadi has been deployed, and also in Malda, Arunachal Pradesh General Secretary Mr. Anant Narayan Mishra has been deployed here. Given the fact that Prime Minister has spoken about Ganga, flowing from Bihar to West Bengal, it looks like the BJP is also prepared. And Bhupendra Yadav, who is also election in charge of this particular state, he has already done meetings on 40 Lok Sabha seats out of 42. And in fact, what we are given to understand is that Union Home Minister has special focus on West Bengal, winning the state, wresting that from Mamata Banerjee, and a place and accommodation has been scouted for Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah as well. So the BJP is, organizationally tracking all those points where it did not do well, and also where it did well, they are trying to maintain that particular victory and particular organization stand there. But the places where they could not defeat TMC, the main focus is likely to be that. An organization general secretary means that someone who has an experience of running an organization. These people with these sort of experiences have been deputed particularly here.
Absolutely. In fact, senior leaders have been chosen for this. Thanks so much, Pragya, for all the details. We'll